Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know. Put it down in the comments. I want to know. All right. Jessica here. Thanks so much for stopping by. I do appreciate you. So I've got an unbagging and kind of a little bonus, but it's not really a bonus. It's like a rant. I got both of my Ipsy Pluses. So I figured I'd do them together. And like I do with my regular Ipsy bags, I'm going to do a battle of the bags and see how different my profiles work out. Yeah. Now, should I do the rant first? Okay, I'll rant. Okay, so in one of my bags, I got this, right? So, okay, this is Refreshments. And I'm aware they ship them with your regular bags and stuff to minimize the cost of shipping, everything. That's fine with me. I get it. I do not need any more of these subscription companies tacking on shipping costs. So I'm fine. Save a buck. I did sign up for this 3 months ago. Yeah. So I signed up for Refreshments in April. And in this bag is the wipes I wanted to get, which I signed up for this in my monthly refills. Okay. And then I got the razor refills. But y'all, I still don't have a flippin' razor starter kit. Yeah. Trust me. I'm a little flippin' bit aggravated. Yeah. So, seriously, so not only have I not gotten my starter kit from April, but I never got my May refill. So I've got razors with, razor refills with no flipping razor to refill them to. I've contacted them. We have gone back and forth. They supposedly shipped it out with my Ipsy X last month. Well, it was MIA. Was not in there. Contacted them again. They issued another shipment. And it's still not here. So, okay. That's my rant. I'm like, I want to cancel this so bad. Because I actually get, I have a subscription to Billy, which is razors, women's razors. I love this subscription. They're always right on time. But for you guys, I wanted to do a comparison of the two brands and the two options. The razors, how they worked and performed. And, I wanted to do that for you guys between the Ipsy Refreshments razors and my Billy razors that I've been getting for a while. Well, this has been basically an epic fail. I don't know. If I ever get it, I'll do the video and do the comparison for you guys, but sorry in advance for the delay. Okay, let's move on to my Ipsy Pluses, because some of the goodies in here are going to be thrown into one of my giveaways. Most likely my 5K giveaway. First up, we have got the SL Miss Glam brush set. I do actually really like them. This is what they look like, and this is the Rainbow Luxe set. It retails for $60, so it's not cheap, but it is actually spot on for Ipsy Glam brushes. And like I said, these are really, really good, super soft, really good density. I like them a lot. Now, a little tidbit of information, which I did not know. Ipsy Glam was created by the Ipsy Glam company and brand, was created by a YouTuber and beauty guru. And her name is Stephanie Lewis. And all of the products are vegan and cruelty free. So that's a neat little bit of information. Oh yeah, and the theme this month is Do You for June 2021. I did get another set of brushes, but only because I chose them. And these are the MOTD Cosmetics. These are the blush blending eye brush set. In a blush, something like that. This is what they look like. And these retail for $58. In addition to that, another thing I did not know is that MOTD stands for Makeup of the Day. I need to research that stuff more because I have no idea. Okay, next up is from Kosas, and it is the Kosas Sport Lip Fuel. And this is what it looks like. It's a hyaluronic lip balm. It retails for $18. It's got hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, cognac root, and peppermint oil. So I do love, love, love lip balms. Next up is from Real Her. And I've actually tried quite a few products from Real Her, and I do really like them. This is the Power Wear Probiotic Foundation, and I Am Divine, and it retails for $36. It's a blendable, buildable foundation infused with probiotics and ingredients to help shield your complexion from harmful effects of blue light. And this is what it looks like. And it actually looks like the shade may work really good for me. So I am looking forward to trying it. And then, last but not least, is from Viseart. Viseart? Oh man. This retails for $39, and it's the Petite Pro. I always want to say Deluxe, but it says Dukes. D-E-U-X. So I don't know. It's got 8 super pigmented blendable shades. The packaging on this is flippin' adorable. Look at this. Right? Okay, and then look at it. Isn't that so cute? So you pull this little thingy, and this opens up, and you flip it around. Look at it. Isn't that cool? So it folds right up into this little case. Isn't that cute? And I'll pull this out again. Here are the shades. And Viseart has phenomenal eyeshadows. They're super pigmented. They blend amazing. And this is one more thing that's going into the giveaway pile for one of you guys. Okay, so that was bag 1. And the total value is $211. And the total savings is 88%. So, by buying this $25 bag, you're saving yourself 88% off of retail. Pretty good, right? Yeah. Okay. Bag number 2. Same card. Do You is the theme. And we've got another MOTD brush set. And I'll remind you, it retails for $58. This is also going in the giveaway pile. Next, another set of Ipsy Glam brushes. And again, going in the giveaway pile, retails for $60. Get through those two quickly. And then, this is from Ciate London. It is their Everyday Vacay Setting Spray. Now, I've used this before. I absolutely love this stuff, you guys. It's so good. Ugh. And it smells incredible. It's got this really nice, like, coconut smell. The Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Dewy Setting Mist retails for $22. It hydrates, sets, and refreshes. So you can use it throughout the day for blasts of moisture, all that good stuff. And then I got a palette from Real Her. And this is the Dream So Big palette. It retails for $28. It's infused with avocado oil, jojoba oil, and coconut oil. This is what the packaging looks like. And it's got a really nice little mirror. And then really super pretty colors. I have used their palettes before, and they're really nice. I do like them. Last but not least is another Viseart palette. And it retails for $39. It's exactly the same as the other one, and going in the 5K giveaway pile. Okay, so those are my two bags. This second bag, the total value of this bag is $207. And it also, I mean, the other one was $211, so they're about the same. The percentage of savings, it goes out to 88% also. So again, a $25 bag, saving almost 90% of a retail. It's amazing. It's flipping awesome. These are great subscriptions. So what did we think? I don't really like the Ipsy Plus. My profile, I don't feel like impacts it that much. I mean, I do very often get different choices based on my profiles, but with Ipsy Plus, because you get to choose 3 out of your 5 full-size items, you know, it's more customizable. Personally, I think then it goes by your profile, except for sometimes with the choices. Okay, that's it. Those were 2 of my June 2021 Ipsy Plus subscription bags. What do we think? Good? Bad? I mean, I know I'm giving a lot of this stuff right back to you guys in a future giveaway, but, you know, you may say, oh, you know, if you're not going to use any of that stuff, what's the point? Well, you know, that's kind of what having a channel is about. And the way I like doing things on my channel is, honestly, half this stuff I'm never going to get through. So I'd rather give it back and share it with you guys and express how much I appreciate you. Because I wouldn't be here without you. So, thank you as always for coming to hang out with me for a little bit during another one of my videos. I do appreciate you guys so much. And before you go, please smash the subscribe button. It does help my channel out so much. It really does. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love you bunches. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.